Hey guys, JDizzEats, and today we're eating at Papa John's at home, tasting their barbecue pizza. Right, barbecue pizza. So yeah, I had some barbecue in here, and it has pepperoni and some beef, cheese, some bacon, and ham, and barbecue sauce. And yeah, it's kind of interesting to see what's this pizza, and let's get into this taste. I'm gonna dive on in. Alright, now we're gonna taste the pizza. Alright, let me taste the barbecue sauce. Here we go. Has some barbecue kick in it, and a little bit spicy. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh yeah, it kind of goes well. Not bad. It does really go well. Okay, let's taste this one more time. Oh. Oh my. You can taste the barbecue sauce there. It does really taste good. Oh my. Oh my. A lot of barbecue sauce under the pizza. And it actually tastes like barbecue. It actually tastes well together with the crust. Oh my. Oh. Alright. Have a second bite. Grab a pizza. Oh my. I like it more than the tomato sauce because I'm not into pizza that much, but when it comes with barbecue, I'm into pizza now. Just with barbecue. Just not interested with tomato sauce or something like that. Makes me want to have some more. Alright guys, into the JDiz rate scale. I would rate this a 9 out of 10, and the reason why is because I like Papa John's pizza, and the pizza was not too greasy, and I like the barbecue pizza, and I like it more than the pizza with tomato sauce, because I am not interested in tomato sauce anymore. I used to like it, but I'm not that interested, and it's kind of boring for me. So that's why I love the barbecue sauce. It tastes like exactly like barbecue, and it had a little bit spice in it, like a kick in it. So yeah, I recommend trying at least once. For me, I want to have some more of it. So that would be pretty it for this video. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, and subscribe for more videos and content, guys. See you guys next video.